Hey guys, welcome to MotorVibes. Today, we're diving into the 6 best classic-style motorcycles for 2024. Let's rev up those engines and explore these stunning machines. Number 6. Aprilia RS 660 Acid Gold. The Aprilia RS 660 Acid Gold is a sport bike that punches well above its weight class. Its 659cc parallel twin engine is a technological marvel, producing an impressive 100 horsepower and 49 of torque. This high-revving power plant delivers exhilarating performance with a character that encourages spirited riding. Handling is where the RS 660 truly shines. Its aluminum frame and fully adjustable suspension provide razor-sharp responsiveness and excellent feedback. Whether navigating tight city streets or carving through canyon roads, the RS 660 feels planted and confidence-inspiring. Fuel efficiency, while not a primary focus for this performance-oriented machine, is surprisingly good. Riders report around 40 to 45 mpg under normal riding conditions. The 4-gallon fuel tank provides a usable range of about 160 to 180 miles. The RS 660 is packed with advanced features, including a 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS, wheelie control, and multiple riding modes. The TFT display is clear and intuitive, offering all necessary information at a glance. Despite its sporty nature, the riding position is relatively comfortable, making it suitable for both track days and longer road trips. Priced at $11,999, the Aprilia RS 660 Acid Gold represents excellent value in the middleweight sport bike category. It's an ideal choice for experienced riders looking for near superbike performance in a more manageable package, or for those stepping up from smaller displacement sport bikes. Number 5. Triumph Bonville T120 Black Stealth Edition. The Triumph Bonville T120 Black Stealth Edition exemplifies British motorcycle engineering at its finest. Powered by a 1,200cc parallel twin engine, it produces a robust 79 horsepower and 77 of torque. This high-torque motor delivers smooth, effortless power across the rev range, perfect for both relaxed cruising and spirited riding. Handling is composed and confident, befitting its classic British roadster heritage. The steel tubular frame and well-damped suspension provide a stable ride, equally at home on city streets or winding country roads. Despite its substantial feel, the T120 remains surprisingly agile when pushed. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for its displacement, with riders reporting around 45 to 50 mpg in mixed riding. The 3.8-gallon fuel tank allows for a range of approximately 170 to 190 miles, suitable for extended day trips or weekend getaways. Notable features include ride-by-wire throttle, 2 riding modes, traction control, and ABS. The twin-clock setup combines analog style with digital information displays. Heated grips come as standard, adding to the bike's all-weather versatility. With a price tag of $13,895, the Bonville T120 Black Stealth Edition sits at the premium end of the classic bike market. It's an ideal choice for riders who appreciate timeless styling, coupled with modern performance and safety features, and who value the heritage and craftsmanship associated with the Triumph brand. Number 4. Moto Goodsy V7 Stone Corser. The Moto Goodsy V7 Stone Corser is a testament to Italian craftsmanship, blending classic design with modern performance. Its 853cc transverse V-twin engine, a signature Moto Goodsy configuration, produces 65 horsepower and 54 of torque. This power plant delivers a unique riding experience, with a distinctive torque pulse and exhaust note that set it apart from inline or parallel twins. Handling is predictable and stable thanks to the V7's steel frame and well-tuned suspension. While not a sport bike, it corners with confidence and remains composed on various road surfaces. The bike's relatively low weight contributes to its agility in urban environments. Fuel efficiency is respectable, with riders reporting around 45 to 50 mpg in real-world conditions. The generous 5.5-gallon fuel tank provides an impressive range of up to 250 miles, making it suitable for longer tours as well as daily commuting. Key features include traction control, ABS, and LED lighting. The analog speedometer with digital insert offers a blend of classic style and modern functionality. The comfortable upright riding position and well-padded seat make long-distance riding a pleasure. Priced at $9,990, the V7 Stone Corser represents a unique proposition in the middleweight classic bike segment. It's ideal for riders who appreciate the character and heritage of Italian motorcycles and want a machine that stands out from the crowd while offering reliable, enjoyable performance. Number 3. Ducati Scrambler Icon. The Ducati Scrambler Icon embodies the spirit of freedom and adventure in a modern package. Its 803cc L-twin engine produces a lively 73 horsepower and 48.1 of torque, delivering a characterful ride with plenty of low-end grunt. The engine's personality is engaging, with a distinctive exhaust note that adds to the overall experience. Handling is a strong point for the Scrambler Icon. Its wide handlebars and relatively light weight make it nimble in urban settings, while the 18-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels provide stability on varied surfaces. The suspension, while not highly adjustable, offers a good compromise between comfort and sportiness. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for its class, with riders reporting around 45 to 50 mpg in mixed use. The 3.5-gallon tank provides a range of approximately 160 to 175 miles, suitable for most riding scenarios. Notable features include cornering ABS, LED lighting, and a USB charging port under the seat. The LCD instrument panel, while compact, provides all necessary information at a glance. The upright riding position and wide seat contribute to all-day comfort. With a price of $10,995, the Scrambler Icon sits in the premium segment of the retro-modern category. It's an excellent choice for riders who appreciate Italian flair and want a versatile machine capable of tackling both city streets and light off-road excursions with equal aplomb. Number 2. Kawasaki Z650 RS. The Kawasaki Z650 RS brings retro styling to the middleweight category, combining classic looks with modern performance. At its heart lies a 649cc parallel twin engine, producing a smooth 67 horsepower and 47 of torque. This power plant offers a linear power delivery, making it accessible for newer riders while still providing enough grunt to satisfy more experienced motorcyclists. The bike's handling characteristics are noteworthy, with a lightweight trellis frame contributing to its agility. The suspension setup, while not adjustable, strikes a good balance between comfort and sportiness. In city traffic, the Z650 RS feels nimble and easy to maneuver, while on winding roads, it holds its line well and inspires confidence. Fuel efficiency is a strong point, with riders reporting around 50 to 55 mpg in real-world conditions. The 3.2-gallon fuel tank provides a range of approximately 160 to 175 miles, suitable for most commuting and weekend riding needs. Notable features include LED lighting, a retro-styled analog digital instrument cluster, and assist and slipper clutch for smoother downshifts. The riding position is slightly forward-leaning, but remains comfortable for longer rides. With a price tag of $9,299, the Z650 RS offers a compelling package for riders seeking modern reliability, wrapped in classic styling. It's particularly well-suited for those who appreciate retro aesthetics but don't want to compromise on contemporary performance and features. Number 1. Yamaha MT07. The Yamaha MT07 is a versatile naked bike that has garnered attention for its balanced performance and aggressive styling. This middleweight marvel is powered by a 689cc parallel twin engine, delivering a punchy 73 horsepower and 50 of torque. The engine's character is notable for its linear power delivery, providing smooth acceleration throughout the rev range. Handling is a strong suit for the MT07 thanks to its lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension. The bike's agility shines in urban environments, allowing riders to effortlessly weave through traffic. When the roads open up, the MT07 holds its own, offering confident cornering and stability at higher speeds. Fuel efficiency is impressive, with riders reporting around 55 to 60 mpg in mixed riding conditions. The 3.7-gallon fuel tank translates to a respectable range of about 200 miles between fill-ups. Key features include LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and ABS as standard. The upright riding position caters to a wide range of rider heights, promoting comfort during long rides. Priced at $8,199, the MT07 represents excellent value for money in the middleweight naked bike segment. It's an ideal choice for both new riders looking to step up from smaller bikes and experienced riders seeking a versatile daily ride with a fun factor. And that is the end of this video. Remember, the best motorcycle is the one that fits your riding style, budget, and personal preferences. Thanks for tuning in to MotorVibes, and we'll see you on the road. Goodbye.